Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Behind me I got this 2018 Ford Focus ST, and this build is moving along quickly and looking amazing, especially with these aftermarket headlights. I just love them. Also, thanks again for all the love and support from my last video. You guys really did up that up, and we did get a few boxes back. We got this front bumper bracket right here to fix that big old ugly gap right there, and also another box from Safety Restore. We did send in that seatbelt and airbag module to get reset, and they did their job and sent them back reset and looking amazing. So we're going to install that soon. Also, I did get the small ST badges in for the front and rear, and I did go with the red ones just because I thought those look a lot better. The other option was blue or yellow. I did like blue too, but I think just red would have fit this car the best. So I think let's just get right into this build and start with that airbag. Hey guys, so we are going to start with this wheel airbag right here, and it's not too hard if you're doing the same thing. There's just two bolts underneath, and you just start prying that off. I already started prying it off there, and that's just two pieces. Once you do that, there is a little metal insert towards the end. You guys could kind of see it from there, but you pretty much just want to get a screwdriver in there and pry this like that on both sides, and the wheel airbag will just pop right off. So let's pop this old one off and install this new one. I forgot to mention, whenever working with any types of airbags or seatbelts or just computer software itself inside cars, you always want to turn off the battery. So let's go around to the positive terminal. All you got to do is just unplug this positive terminal right here, and once that's off, just put it off to the side. And so we just got this wheel airbag off, and as you guys can tell, the plastic itself was melted onto the airbag, probably from the chemical reaction. It was just too hot, so I did just cut those off, and I did get two new ones from a car that did not have blown airbags. So we'll just solder that back onto those wires right there and plug it right into the new airbag. Guys, so we just got these two connectors resoldered on, and we also did put a little bit of heat shrink around all of them just in case nothing would short out or anything like that, so the airbag light would come back on. But yeah, let's install this new airbag and go from there. Hey guys, so we just got this wheel airbag installed, and we just need two more plastics that go right there and right there. And also we do need to install this knee airbag right here, and what is awesome is this did not melt onto the airbag like the ones up there. And we also did get an extra connector, which I should have used right here, but it's fine, we already got that soldered on. So let's install this and then move on to the seatbelt right there. Hey guys, so we just got this wheel airbag installed along with that knee airbag too, and also these two plastics here. But we also do need to install the seatbelt that goes along there, and also this airbag module there. And we got those back over here. Let's get that opened up. I already opened it up just to check it out, but we got the module here, should be reset. and also the seatbelt right here, which is also reset, and it will blow if you get in another accident, so that's awesome. So let's get this installed and go from there. Guys, so I just got both airbags installed, and along with this seatbelt right here and all the panels inside, and it works great. So now all we need to install is that airbag module, and then we'll see if this light turned off. Hey guys, so we got a little bit of a mess here and here, so let's clean that. So guys, we got all the tools cleaned up, and we installed both airbags and the module and seatbelt, and we're about to give this car a start up. So you want to hook up the battery over there, and we'll see if that airbag light's still there. If it is, we could always hook up an airbag scanner and just reset it. Usually got to wait a couple seconds. So it did turn off. It might turn back on, and oh yep, it turned back on. So we'll definitely have to hook up a scanner and reset it that way. Also guys, it's starting to get late on us here, so we'll definitely have to fix this gap later and give it a wash. We also do have to do a good detail in the interior, but other than that, this car is looking amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, the next day here, and we're gonna jump right onto this front gap right here just to get that fixed, because we do not want that. It makes the car look just ugly. And also we are gonna give this car a nice detail and a nice wash, so let's get right to it. Hey guys, welcome back. We just got these ST badges in, and also we did fix this gap right here. It is looking a lot better, and this car is just looking awesome. So we're about to install these ST badges. We got one big one and one small one, and they did come with some 3M tape right here. As you guys can tell, one big, one small. This one's for the front grille, this is for the back. And we're just gonna wax and grease remove it and stick it right on so it lasts really long. So let's get right to it. Hey guys, so we just got the ST badges on and they look amazing. Come closer over here, you could tell that it just gives the car 100% look. So this car is OEM now. We got the car pretty much put together. We still need to reset that airbag light. But other than that, this build is 100% complete, and stay tuned for the next build. For now, I think we're gonna go to the back and wash this beast and clean out the interior, and then it'll be 100%. Hey guys, so we just got the car all cleaned and it's looking amazing. So now we're gonna go to the inside and detail the inside. Let's go right to it. Hey guys, we just got the car detailed inside and out and it's looking amazing. I do love these aftermarket headlights. I definitely suggest them to you. They just make the car look absolutely mean. Also, these ST badges just made the car 100% complete and the build's looking awesome, better than OEM. And make sure you guys stay tuned for the next build. It's going to be bigger and better. And make sure you share with your friends, like and subscribe, and peace out.